Hello everyone and welcome to Art Club. This week we're going to be making our autumn wreaths that look something like this. For this activity you're going to need 2 pieces of colourful card, 1 paper plate, a pencil, some scissors and a glue stick. Now grab your paper plate. First of all, you're going to cut around the outline of the inner ring. You might want to draw around it in pencil first, but if not, just follow the indent. Press your pencil in carefully and use that little hole as a way into cutting round carefully. It should look something like this. Now with the circle you've cut out, we're going to make some stencils of some leaves. So draw 2 or 3 leaves in different shapes to fill this circle and then cut them out carefully. Take your stencils and your piece of card and start drawing around the stencils, filling up the paper as much as you can. At this point you can choose what colour your leaves are, so you can stick just to the one colour using your orange piece of card, or you can add in different colour card for a more textured effect. So I've got a little bit of green card as well that I'm going to use. Then start piling your leaves up and set them to one side. Now get your cut out paper plate back and your glue stick, and we're going to be sticking our leaves around the edge of our paper plate to make a wreath. You may want to arrange them on your plate first and then glue them down afterwards, or you can just glue down as you go. It's up to you. Once you've finished and covered all the white spaces, it should look a little something like this. Now all you need to do is get a backing sheet of cards, lay your wreath on top of it. You can glue it on if you want and write a message in the centre. So I've gone for Happy Autumn. Thanks for joining us in Art Club this week. See you next time.